I want to show them through Pakistan because I told them, if you want me to go back to Canada, or I'm originally from Turkmenistan, to Turkmenistan, you will have to drag me out because I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving until I don't know what happens because I love it here. Alhamdulillah. Also, a little bit about myself. I have been living in Canada for past 15 years, and I'm a sort of medical statistician, licensed in Canada and in USA. Also, I started digital marketing, which helped me with my Instagram. I understand what to say, what not to say, or I hope I do. Okay, let me ask questions now, because again, I'm a little nervous.
According to our definition, influencer is not the only one who has good number of following. We believe an influencer can be the one who is influencing people with their actions. बेशक वो 2 लोग हैं, 4 लोग हैं, वो influence create कर रहे हैं। तो इसी सेगमेंट को देखते हुए हमने 100 young influencers of पाकिस्तान को फीचर किया अपने CNC प्लेटफॉर्म पे। We have Hasina Qasim and Badrul Muttaqi from African countries. Would like to hear from them. Please introduce yourself about your interest, hobbies, and